How did you get out? Hi, Byron. Hey, Byron.
To get the most savings across your entire family.
Hello? Hello? What were you doing? Hello? What's up? What's up? Hello? What's up? Hey, what's up, pretty bird? Hi. Hi, you gonna come up here? What are you saying? I don't... Hello. Yeah, you're a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird. Hi. Are you coming? Hello. 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 Dance, Byron, dance. 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 Hey, Byron. Dance. Dance. You gonna dance? Yeah, dance. Dance. Upside down bird. Dance. Dance. Good morning, guys. I haven't filmed in a long time, and I was planning to film a lot while I was here. I am bird sitting, and I'll probably insert a bunch of clips of said bird. But I am currently trying to unlock my bike so I can get the battery out so I can charge it while I take a shower, because I gotta go get my hair cut. As you can see, my hair is getting real long. It's getting a mess. And I'm going to the beach, and I kind of want new hair for the beach. So, yeah, I am at a good friend of mine's from the previous pastor at my church. This is her house. So, yeah. My hair. I'm with her birds, the 3 chickens, and then the aviaries. But, yeah, so I will catch up with you later. Haha, there we go. So I'm heading to the garage because my one saddlebag is in the garage and I can't find the plug or the outlet. I mean the light switch. Plug, outlet, light switch, same thing. Let me make sure. I don't get, because this automatically locks with the little switch, so I just want to make sure I don't get locked out. So we're just going to move this trash can, and we're going to figure out where did I put that stupid saddlebag? Oh, here it is. Found it. That's my dirty one. That's all my iced coffee. Every time I put my coffee or any drink in there. Okay, I found my saddlebag because it's got my bike charger in it. Because I carry my bike charger wherever I go to charge my bike. So that I don't get, so that I can charge it at work or whatever. I can charge it, you know, at home, obviously, but for sure, like, hello? Hello? That's the bird. So that and I only like to charge it. I don't charge it when nobody's awake or when, if there's nobody in the house, I don't charge it. I mean, like I said, I charge it at work, but I charge it, you know, there's people coming and going, but I'm always careful when I charge it because, you know, there was all those Segway, the cheap, like, hoverboard things that were catching on fire, and so I'm very careful when and where I charge it, just to be, you know, safe. So here's the battery for my bike. It's actually not that heavy. Maybe, I don't think it's 10 pounds. I should weigh it sometime. And this is the battery charger. That's my helmet. It is currently charging. These little red lights here are turn signals. It'd be cool if there was a way you could turn on, like, flashers, so it would, like, flash. But it has the turn signals and it has the little speakers, so I can listen on either side, listen to music, or I'm gonna plug this in, or my GPS. So it's nice, and we're charging. It's nice because I like the GPS. So if I'm dog sitting somewhere or something, or house sitting, I can charge, or I can hear where I'm going, and then once I learn it, sometimes it takes a time or two to learn the directions, and so I'm always careful. Well, I'm not careful, not the right word. I always like having the directions, and so now I'm just straightening up. I brought my book stuff to work on. Do you think I worked on it? No. But I got an idea for something else I want to write. Random stuff on this counter. My coworker gave me her vest. I need to go finish sorting the mail. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get a shower. Maybe I'll pop in and see the bird before I go get a shower. Hello, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hello. 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 So yeah, that's the bird. So I am going to go shower. And I will see you guys later. I never noticed that painting. Maybe I did. I don't know. It's pretty. Okay. So, bye. Hello. My hair has been cleaned. I need to shower, but I will shower when I get home because I'm gonna have hair all over me. And like I like to shower after I get my hair cut, and I'm coming in here. Why? For my wallet. Momentary forgetfulness. Wallet. I ordered a new one. I'm gonna use it for the beach. It's gonna come tomorrow. So hopefully it'll be here. Not here, but at my house. But I get off at 2 tomorrow, so hopefully it'll be here so that I can grab it when I'm over there, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bike home, and then I'll just have someone drop me back off here so I don't have to deal with my bike. And it'll save me time. I'm slipping on my shoes. It'll save me so that we don't have to deal with my bike Sunday morning, and my mom can just pick me up on all my stuff, or pick me up from church and we can come back after and grab all my things, because I have food and stuff that need to be put away or kept cool. But it's actually kind of nice out here. It's a little warm, but one of these evenings I'm gonna come out here and watch TV. And there's the chickens. I wanna relax in the hot tub. I haven't yet. Today though, with this weather, I could easily go swimming. Samsung. This is for something. I don't know. Oh, probably the sound bar. Probably an outdoor. So, yeah, I'm about to go get my haircut. I need to leave. I should have left already because she's done it too. Oh, that's right, that's the pool stuff. Okay, so, yeah, I will see you guys later. Goodbye. Boo! Hello. 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 You gonna dance? There's no music. There's no music to dance to. Hello. 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 Byron. Hello. You're gonna dance now? And no music. Hello. 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 I miss you. Hello. What's going on? What? I don't know what you're saying. Hello. 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 up? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Oh, I think I found my mom.